What if I told you that the next electric crossover Canadians will be lining up for isn't made by Tesla, Ford, or Volkswagen? And it's not from the US, not from Europe, it's from China. Just weeks ago, Canada quietly lowered trade barriers for Chinese electric vehicles. No big headlines, no hype. But that single move could completely reshape the Canadian EV market, because one of the best-selling electric crossovers on the planet is now closer to Canada than ever before, and it costs thousands less than most EVs you see on the road today. This is the BYD Atto 3. And by the end of this video, you might realize why Tesla should be paying very close attention. For years, Canadian EV buyers had limited choices: Tesla, a few Korean models, some expensive European options. Affordable electric crossovers were rare. But now, with reduced tariffs and new import pathways, Chinese EVs are no longer a what-if, they're a win. And BYD, the world's largest EV manufacturer, is leading that charge. The BYD Atto 3 is a compact electric crossover that has already proven itself in Europe, Australia, and Asia. It's practical, efficient, and built from the ground up as an EV. This is not a converted gas car. It's designed for daily commuting, winter driving, and real-world use, which makes it especially interesting for Canada. Let's talk numbers. In markets where it's already sold, the BYD Atto 3 typically lands at the equivalent of $34,000 to $42,000 CAD, depending on trim and incentives. That's thousands of dollars cheaper than many competing electric SUVs. In Canada, that would place it directly against gas-powered compact SUVs, entry-level EVs with fewer features, and that price alone will get attention. Range anxiety is real, especially in a country this big. The BYD Atto 3 offers up to 420 kilometers, 260 miles of range on a full charge. More importantly, stable cold-weather battery chemistry, efficient heat management, smooth, predictable power delivery. It's not trying to be a performance monster. It's trying to be reliable, which is exactly what most Canadian drivers want. Now I want to ask you something. If an electric crossover like the BYD Atto 3 was officially sold in Canada for under $40,000 CAD, would you consider it over a Tesla Model Y or a gas SUV? Or does the brand still matter more than the value? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. And if you're enjoying this breakdown and want more honest EV content without hype, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and helps you stay ahead of the EV curve. Inside, the Atto 3 surprises a lot of people. Minimalist dashboard, large rotating touchscreen, good material quality for the price. BYD focuses heavily on user experience, not gimmicks. You get advanced driver assistance, over-the-air updates, spacious rear seats, flat floor for comfort. It's designed to feel modern without being overwhelming. Here's why this car could work extremely well in Canada. Competitive price, practical size for cities and suburbs, real-world range, proven reliability in other cold climate markets, lower operating costs than gas SUVs. This isn't a niche EV, it's a mainstream electric crossover, built for mass adoption. The arrival of cars like the BYD Atto 3 signals a shift, more competition, more affordable EVs, more pressure on legacy automakers. And for Canadian buyers, that's very good news. So the real question isn't if Chinese EVs will enter Canada, it's how fast they'll change the market once they do. If the BYD Atto 3 launches here at the right price, it could become one of the most important EVs in Canada. What do you think? Would you buy one, or are you sticking with Tesla? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video.